Hello everyone. Today we're going to show the best way to apply knee grips to your tank for your motorcycle. Actually, it's pretty easy. You can do it at home and it will look very professional. First, slowly remove the back layer of the sticker without touching the glued side to avoid leaving finger marks. Now, press the sticker against the tank and rub with your finger to adhere the sticker to the tank. This will allow you to have better control when you're turning. As you can see, you should continue rubbing the sticker through the whole process while you're sticking the decal to the tank, and making sure you're releasing all the air from the sticker because it is very important for the final appearance. Keep rubbing your finger to release any bubbles in the process. Continue doing it. Finally, rub your finger across the surface to complete the installation process. And we're done. The process is completed. Now you're going to feel more connected with your bike and your knee will not slide anymore. This is another innovative piece made by ONEDESIGN.